Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the original Nintendo Wii number 2 package po natin. So, on na natin yung unit. And, lipat lang po tayo sa TV screen. Nakabit na rin po yung mga accessories. That's also included with your package. Now, to load our games, open lang po natin yung ating USB loader CFG. Now, for the package that you've selected po, this has over 100 plus games na naka-install. So, marami na rin po kayong mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. Now, these are the games that we have. This order pala is going to Antipolo, Rizal. So, we have here yung mga Just Dance games natin, Mario, yung mga Wii Sports, and marami pa pong iba. So, let's load one of the game. Yung isa sa mga mabibigat na game for Nintendo Wii. Yung ating Super Smash Brothers Brawl. Na-stress test na rin namin yung inyong unit. So, this is just for our video demo para mapakita din namin sa inyo. Now, I'll be sending separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your package sa ating chat. Ayan. So, okay na po yung ating order. Bali, papak na lang din namin at then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Alright, thank you po and happy gaming!